Hello, boss, and welcome back to the frozen tundra. It's been like -3 for about 2 weeks now, and the cooking corner is frozen salad. But never fear, Chef is here, and he said if you subscribe right now, he will shovel your driveway. You're not gonna? Don't quote you on that? Okay, sorry about that, folks. As you can see, our team is warm inside. Today, Chef's gonna show you a cast iron beef skillet dish. This is kind of like a goulash dish. Very simple to make. One of our 30-minute meals that we're going to be posting. Warm, tasty. If you're outside in the cold working, come on in to this beautiful dish. Let's go ahead, warm up, and get cooking. So warm up your cast iron skillet to about medium to medium high. And if you don't, you can use a regular skillet. And you're going to use a low-fat beef ratio. So like 95-5, something like that. Throw in your onions and then your peppers and mix together until cooked. Chef says you don't want a high ratio of fat because it will have all that grease inside, so something low. Once it's cooked, throw a little AP rub, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then just a touch of some Worcestershire sauce. Boil up some macaroni and then throw that in the mix as well. And all the ingredients will be down below and the directions will be on our blog. Go ahead now and add a little bit of red sauce. And then just mix this together on medium heat. Continue to stir. After several minutes, you'll see everything's cooked up together. It looks great, has a lot of flavor. Go ahead, turn your pan right off, the oven off, grab a nice plate, and let's see if Chef can plate this up. We've worked on this all season. Let's see if you can do this. Oh, Chef. We worked on this. Sorry about that, folks. I know your plate won't look like that. Your plate will look probably something like this. Then go ahead and add a little bit of Parmesan cheese right on top. That's nice and grated. And then serve up, and if you want, add some garlic bread or some Italian bread with some butter. And there you have it, a nice warm cast iron skillet dish. You'll love this little macaroni mix. Add or subtract whatever different ingredients you think. But check out our blog for more recipes. We hope everyone is staying warm out there in those frigid temperatures. Thanks again for joining everyone today on this video, and make sure to subscribe. Check out our last week's video and some of them from before. Thanks again. Cooking should be fun, everyone. Have fun doing it.